सस्ता रेडी बाज़ार, fruit and vegetable, and you can see that it has just been opened. I don't know whether maybe Deputy Commissioner Sahiba, Madam Sara Hayat Gondal, is expected to arrive and to formally open it. You can find that these are the stalls, plenty of it, 30 on the one side and 15 on the other side. These are this is the bazaar, sasta ready bazaar, fruit and vegetable. It's good enough, located at a good place, either at a nominal monthly rent they may have to pay. Look at the fans have been installed, free electricity. Fans also belong to the municipality. And see that क्या हाल है, खैरियत है, खुश हैं, ठीक हैं? तो आएंगी डिप्टी कमिश्नर साहिबा, आएंगी किस वक्त आएंगी? तो ये आपको किराया इसका देना पड़ेगा बगैर किराए के, बगैर किराए के दिए देखिए अय्याशी है। अच्छा अच्छा,
100 रुपये आलू बुखारा 200 रुपये किलो, पानी 200 रुपये किलो।
अच्छा, look at all that. There is a lot of place here, and these benches have been installed. बेंचेस। क्या हाल है जी, खैरियत है, ठीक हैं, खुश हैं? आपने भी स्टॉल लिया है?
स्टॉल हमने पता नहीं था तो जल्दी से इंशाल्लाह सब।
Look at all that. It's a good place. They can do the business here with ease and comfort, and it's free. They don't have to pay anything else at all. They don't have to pay anything else at all. Even the no rent and even the electricity is free. The fans are also been given to them by the municipality. This is the bazaar and it is about to be formally opened by the Deputy Commissioner Sahiba, Madam Sara Hayat Gondal. See at what time she arrives here, but it will take a little bit of the time before the preparations are complete. It has been awarded. All of them have been. These are bigger ones in area, while this side is slightly small. And because dual, see, it has been cordoned off, no parking beyond this limit. The shops will be here on this side as well.